For thousands of years, we have known that the earth is in fact round. Many idiots on the internet do not believe that and say that the earth is flat. After thousands of years of science and research and piles of evidence given to us, many people still believe that the earth is flat. 2000 years ago, Eratosthenes measured the circumference of the earth and found out that the earth is round by literally putting a stick in the ground. Some of these idiots never believed this, ignored the evidence. So I will have some challenges for flat earthers. Have you guys ever seen the moon? Whenever we see the moon, we see only one side of it. So, on your flat disk, if a sphere like the moon was going around, we would see different faces of it, right? I mean, that makes sense because it's a sphere and we'll see different sides of it. Because if a person is standing like on the other side of the earth, they would see the moon from behind and it would look different. But that's not the case. Everywhere you see the moon, it looks always the same. So, can you prove this? How it will work on a flat earth? That's just not possible. Also, the moon also looks a bit different in the southern hemisphere compared to the northern hemisphere. That's because we see the moon from different angles. So it is in different orientation. So can you prove that for me? Also, have you guys ever looked at the night sky, then just sitting in a basement looking at your computer and typing nonsense? Well, let me tell you, the stars look different everywhere you go on Earth because the southern hemisphere would make you look at different stars because the earth is round. If the earth is flat, that does not make sense. If you have noticed, the stars move counterclockwise on the northern hemisphere around the Polaris, and in the southern hemisphere it moves around the southern cross, the stars, and they move clockwise because that's how the perspective works. But you guys ignore that evidence and still believe that the earth is flat.